What's popping, guys? It's Jalon coming back with another quick video. Haven't made one of these in a while. Super excited. Want to pump out another one of these because I have a 4 or 5 hour drive ahead of me, and I don't want to get bored all the time. I'm not going to get bored. I'm going to listen to podcasts, but I'm going to pump out one of these guys and reflect on what I've done this past weekend. I recognize that it's very important for me personally to disconnect and unplug from the city and technology and really reflect on some of the things that I've been doing, evaluating what I'm doing good, what can I do better, some of the situations and scenarios that have popped up in the past couple of weeks, how I reacted to certain situations, and what I could have done better in certain situations. That's kind of why I unplugged. I love this time. I always learn something more about myself. But I think the thing that the reason why I went away from the city for a little bit is to and wanted to experience something new. I got invited to go to a chorale, which is like a choir in a sense, choir performance. Now I don't know anything about music or choir. I shouldn't say music, but choir in general. Christmas chorale. So I was open to it. I wanted to experience something new. Because once you're closed off, once you have all your blinds closed, blinds on, you miss a lot of things. And I was so glad that I came up to the performance. I think the biggest thing now, going into it, I knew nothing about chorale. I don't nothing, absolute noob, like freaking noob at it. But so I didn't know what they were saying. They had the subtitles. They sang in Norwegian, Russian, and German. And I think that's another thing that's very fascinating with music, is that how it brings the world and the different cultures together. And it's beautiful, right? But going back to the chorale, I think one of the biggest things that I did, and being an analytical guy like myself, I was paying very close attention to the conductor, which is the guy who's in the center of the stage and kind of waving his hands and acting all crazy and stuff like that, which was what I thought before going into the performance, because I didn't know anything about it. I was a complete noob. So what I did is that throughout the whole performance, I watched him so closely to the minute details of what he was doing and the rhythm that he was giving and the subtle movement that he was making with his fingers. And from that, I was able to pick up some patterns and recognize how he was able to compose and pull together each song into a masterpiece. And seeing him conducting, it almost felt like he was painting. It was an art. It was beautiful. And I never thought of that. I never thought of that because I was completely new. I knew nothing about it. It was so beautiful to see how he was able to control the tempo and to pull out different sounds from the 100+ people that he was conducting. And the subtle movement that he was making that people tend to miss, I picked up on. And as a result of that, I learned something new. Right? Never say no to experiences. But and also when you look closely to the details, you pick up a lot of things. You learn something new about music or whatever that you are doing. So yeah, it's freaking awesome. I love it. I gotta come out more and check it out. I just love learning, dude. It's so fun. Learning and growing. It's so fucking fun. Yeah, and then another thing that I kind of picked up on, I met some new people, some older gals, have tons of experience, traveled all around the world, and still who are in their 80s and freaking going to Africa next month. I'm like, holy crap, dude! Like, how do you? I want to learn what they were doing that kept them into this mind state and physically capable of doing these things at a such young age, young being 80. They looked awesome, and at the same time I became so interested in their story and how they managed to do that, and I wanted to learn why, because I felt like if I can be 80 and look like as good as him, like, I'm freaking golden. Like, that's where I want to get to. And the chemistry that they have, the couple, it's awesome. Like, they understand each other, they understand the humility and the jokes that they have with each other. It's awesome to see. And at the same time, I became very interested in them, and I wanted to hear their stories and learn from them. And as a result of that, they became more interested in what I was doing and my background and my stories and my struggles. I was able to draw some intersections and connection through that, which was beautiful. And I think those are the people that, like, I gotta squeeze the opportunity to learn from those, like, because I can't get to that age. Like, with the state that they're in, it just doesn't happen overnight. You don't just get to 80 and you be in that state. It's the accumulation of things that you do in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s that will help you get to that mentality and that mindset when you're in your 80s. So it's very beautiful to see and to learn, and I'm so thankful for their willingness and their loving to share that. It was super beautiful to hear. I look forward to hearing more and spending more time with them when the opportunity presents itself. Overall, it's been a very productive weekend. I love my time up here. Should move up here too. Get away from the city. It's too fast paced. I don't know. Anyway, hope everybody had an awesome weekend. It's raining in the Pacific Northwest. Love it. Love the rain. Missed them. But nonetheless, hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Tomorrow's Monday. It's a new week, new day. Every day is a new day, right? You can't dwell on the past or what you've done, what you did wrong, or what you could have done. I reflect on it and learn on those experiences and those decisions that I make, and those will help me to make better decisions, my future decisions, and things of that nature. So I love that process. So anyway, hope everybody had an awesome week, and love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.